Redmi is unveiling its new Turbo 5 Max. Smartphone will be an AMOLED touchscreen display. It's coming a new back design with 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The standout feature is undoubtedly the massive 9000 mAh battery. Ready to debut with the MediaTek Dimensity chipset. And to give more power to this phone, there will be an octa-core CPU. RAM will be 12 and 16 GB. Camera setup will be dual camera. A 50 megapixel primary camera with OIS with advanced AI support. Fingerprint will be under display ultrasonic. And internal memory will be 512 GB. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.